On, let's welcome in Peter McGuire, Chief Market Strategist at FX Global Capital, joining us from Sydney. Peter, great to have you with us as always on Profit. First, let's get your perspective on the dollar, which has weakened a little bit compared to the yen. But then, as always, focus would be on what Bernanke says today and tomorrow. What's your sense? How would you see the dollar reacting to Bernanke's commentary?
I think you could see, first off, positive thoughts coming out of Bernanke. I mean, he's not going to go to the market and tell them that, everything's in a shocking situation. I think he's got to talk the market up, and that's probably going to put a little bit of confidence. I wouldn't mind seeing the equity markets probably rally, and in some ways you possibly see the US dollar rally a little bit further even to the upside. So I think it could spur the general economy on for a short time frame, but I think fundamentally you're going to see a continuing upshift for the US dollar. It's just not as bad as euro.
What about the euro? What's the recommended strategy to clients right now?
We're still suggesting, we believe that the euro's got further downside, Ashil. Look, the story hasn't gone away. It's a Northern Hemisphere issue over this summer period, and I think that Spain, Italy, and the other bandits will, really have a great degree of problem over the coming weeks and months. And we've also got, of course, that US election towards the end of the year. So I think fundamentally you're going to see a stronger US dollar. I'm still saying under sub 120, probably by August, September against the euro, even 118.
How are you looking at the Asian currencies, particularly the rupee, towards the build-up to the monetary policy meet on the 31st? Obviously, market is divided about what the RBI would do, but clearly, the rupee has been strengthening off late in expectation of some reform measures coming in. What's the recommended strategy right now on the currencies, on the Asian currencies, particularly the rupee?
Well, the rupee, if you look at it, it's around about that 55 level. Look, I think it's probably, I can't see your Reserve Bank doing much other than probably dropping rates. The situation is not good on the home front. We've got a slowing economy, and I think that we probably had too rapid a rise as far as interest rates over the previous 18 months. So I think you're going to see a bit of a consolidation, and I wouldn't be surprised to see a little bit of heat taken out of that the cross rate. I think it'll probably settle at these sort of levels. I'm not suggesting we're going to see massive volatility on either side in the short to medium term. Possibly, depends upon what the US dollar does against that, against the rupee in the, over that period. But I just don't see a lot of volatility.
All right, Peter, we leave it at that. Thank you so much for joining us. Great to get those thoughts from you.